Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be installing some more parts on the inside of the car. And as many of you know, not too long ago, I did actually just get a new steering wheel. And it's a full Alcantara with a flat bottom. And now, as much as I do think that this looks good, I think the rest of the interior kind of slacks a little bit. So therefore I did get some more parts from LMR. What we got in this box is what I think will make the interior be spiced up a lot more. So as you can see, if I do go and open up all these boxes, you can tell that I got some new pedals. And I know you're going to be painting pedal covers. Watch you waste money on that. But I think with these being silver, I think they will look really, really good in the car. I think they came in all the bullets, plus the Cobras and Mach 1s. They didn't offer them in the GTs at all. I think with the car being silver and these being on the inside instead of the little rubber ones that's in there right now, I think they will look a whole lot better. So I've now got them laid out, and you can see that they are the silver. I can't remember what material they use. They have little rubber inserts, and it's supposed to help with grip and everything, which I mean, I don't think I'm going to really notice a difference because it's not like I'm driving with like wet shoes or anything like that, or anything to be slipping off the pedal. But I could maybe see the appeal to it if you was like really dogging the car and you was trying to, I guess, get a better grip on stuff. And then I also did get something else in the box. You can see I got a different shift knob. Now this is a Cobra style shift knob, but it's for the 5-speed. A lot of you always talk about this shift knob that is in the car right now just because it's a really cheap shift knob, but it came with the kit, but you don't really see them in many 2 valves or any new edges at all really. But I mean, I think it's a okay shift knob. It's like $16, just a piece of plastic. So I mean, it's not really that good, but I mean, it's comfortable for what it is. But this new one, it'll be the Cobra style, and then it also has silver on the top, so I think it'll look a lot better because it'll kind of match the car and the pedals and everything. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get to installing this. I'm probably gonna do the shift knob first, just because it's easy, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the way. And then after that, I guess I'm gonna dive into the pedals, which is gonna suck because I'm gonna have to get down there. So I know I said it last video, but this is probably going to be the last few mods until I'm actually diving into something else, because I'm really wanting to do some suspension work and then maybe some brakes. But I do want to have this car boosted, hopefully maybe sometime next year. So I'm gonna need to do a lot of suspension work. Not that I really need it. I mean, I can run the springs and everything. I really wouldn't mind doing some front coilovers in the front and then doing maximum motorsport lower control arm adjustables in the rear. That way I can get that perfect stance and everything. But to do that, I'm gonna have to do some kind of coilover setup in the front. Now the good thing is I do still have some cast camera plates in the cabinet that I never put on this car whenever I lowered it. But I have those. So if you guys have heard anything about strange coilovers, I was kind of looking in between them, Maximum Motorsports and UPR. I haven't really heard the best things about UPR. I mean, I know they are a really good company, but they're coilovers for the new edges. I mean, I've kind of heard mixed feedback on that. So if you guys have anything on that, let me know. But I was kind of leaning more towards Strange because it's kind of in the middle, and I know a lot of Foxplay guys use that. But then again, Maximum Motorsports, they're like the Mustang, at least for the older stuff, they're like the company for suspension. But I just don't know if I really want to pay $400 just for 2 front coilover setups, plus shocks and plus struts. And I think I have to do their cast camera plates, so I wouldn't be able to use my SVE ones in there. So after all that, I'd be like close to $1,000, if not more, just into the front setup. If you guys heard anything about Strange, or maybe if you have them on your car, or UPR, I mean, let me know. Just let me know some of that stuff. This is the 2 shift knobs side by side, and this one is a lot thicker actually. But I think this one's just kind of made out of like the same stuff that a lot of LMR uses on their steering wheels and everything. It's just like a fake leather with a pretty good stitching, which I don't know, maybe it is real leather. I really don't know. Also, if you haven't seen the last video on this steering wheel, I'd highly recommend to go check it out. Redline Goods, they kind of hooked me up on it. So it'd be much appreciated if you could go check out that video and maybe look into some of their stuff. Now it's time for the fun part, doing the pedals. I really feel like I'm gonna get a cramp or something trying to get all the way up in here. Because last time I was up in here, whenever my clutch was kind of being weird, it definitely was not fun. All right, so it is now the next day and my GoPro had actually died, but I did actually get everything installed. As you can see, I got the pedals down there and then also I got the shift knob on. But overall, I mean, I think this actually makes the car look a little bit better. I mean, just the interior wise. I know it's nothing crazy, but I'm pretty happy with the way the interior sits as of now. The only thing left to do would be to do some kind of seats, but I really have no use for seats, so it would really just be like more of a show type of thing. I really don't feel like spending $2 grand on some seats either, because I would probably do Corbeau. They have a really nice leather option. As the interior sits right now, I mean, I'm pretty happy for it. It definitely spices up a little bit different, and it's still kind of that OEM Plus look, which I'm always a big fan of. I guess that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about this install and everything. If you think it was better or maybe better before. And other than that, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But I guess I'll catch you guys next time.